Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, where everyday Korean gets one rung easier.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 코리안 라더에 오신 걸 환영해요.
안녕하세요, 준호입니다. 오늘은 좋은 소식을 들었을 때 하는 말을 배워볼게요.
Here's my problem. If my Korean friend gets a new job, can I just say, 생일 축하합니다? I know it from the birthday song.
좋은 질문이에요. 생일 축하합니다. is for birthdays. For good news in general, 축하해요 means congratulations.
축하해요. is polite enough for most everyday situations. A friend, a classmate, a coworker, or someone you do not know very well.
So, 축하해요 is my all-purpose polite congratulations.
오늘의 기본 패턴은 명사 더하기 축하해요예요. In English, put the thing you are celebrating first, then 축하해요.
For a birthday, say 생일 축하해요. 생일 means birthday, and 축하해요 means congratulations.
You will also hear 생일 축하합니다. It is a little more formal and very common in songs, cards, and public birthday greetings.
So, to a friend at a cafe, 생일 축하해요 feels natural. And in a birthday song, 생일 축하합니다 feels familiar.
맞아요. Now, for a new job, the natural noun is 취업. 취업 축하해요 means congratulations on getting a job.
For passing an exam or getting accepted, say 합격 축하해요. 합격 is passing or acceptance.
Let me reason it out. 생일 is birthday, 취업 is getting a job, 합격 is passing. Then, 축하해요.
좋아요. And if you do not know the exact noun, you can simply say 축하해요. It still works.
하지만 축하해요 is not a magic reply to every nice thing. It is for events or good results like birthdays, jobs, passing, weddings, awards.
So if someone says, I bought coffee, I should not say, 축하해요, like congratulations on coffee.
맞아요. For simple good news, Koreans often add 잘 됐네요. It means that turned out well, or I'm glad to hear that.
You can say 잘 됐네요, 축하해요. In English, that is like, that's great, congratulations.
That sounds warmer than just one word. 잘 됐네요. 축하해요.
짧은 대화를 들어보세요. First, a birthday. Listen for the greeting and the reply.
준호 씨, 생일 축하해요.
고마워요, 하나씨.
The reply is 고마워요. It means thank you. It is polite and friendly.
고마워요. That one I can use as the answer when someone congratulates me.
이번에는 취업이에요. This time, someone got a job.
취업 축하해요.
고마워요. 정말 기뻐요.
정말 기뻐요 means I'm really happy. But for A1, the core reply is simply 고마워요.
If I pass my Korean test, I want someone to say, 합격 축하해요.
좋아요. Repeat after me slowly. 축하해요.
축하해요.
좋아요. Make the middle ha audible. 축하해요.
축하해요. Better?
완벽해요. Now add 생일. 생일 축하해요.
생일 축하해요.
좋습니다. Now the classic formal birthday phrase. 생일 축하합니다.
생일 축하합니다.
이번에는 실수 포인트예요. 축하드립니다 is very respectful. It is not wrong, but it can sound too formal for everyday friends.
Use 축하드립니다 in formal messages, ceremonies, business emails, or when you want to be extra respectful.
So to my close classmate, 취업 축하드립니다 might be a little stiff.
맞아요. To a classmate or coworker you are friendly with, 취업 축하해요 sounds natural and polite.
Another common mistake is translating too much. In English, you say, congratulations on your birthday. But in Korean, just say, 생일 축하해요.
So not, 당신의 생일을 축하해요. For everyday speech, just, 생일 축하해요.
맞아요. 당신의 often sounds unnatural or too direct in everyday Korean. 생일 축하해요 is the natural phrase.
퀴즈입니다. Your friend texts, I got the job. You want a friendly, polite reply. Which is best?
A is birthday, so no. C sounds very formal. I'm choosing B. 취업 축하해요.
정답은 B예요. 취업 축하해요. It names the good news and it uses everyday polite speech.
C. 취업 축하드립니다. is grammatically correct. 하나 주민당. But for a friend, 디도 it may feel like a ceremony or formal business message.
핵심을 정리해요. 축하해요는 일상적인 존댓말이에요. In English, 축하해요 is your everyday polite congratulations.
이유를 앞에 붙이면 자연스러워요. In English, say the reason first. 생일 축하해요. 취업 축하해요. 합격 축하해요.
축하를 받으면 고마워요라고 대답해요. In English, when someone congratulates you, 고마워요 means thank you.
축하드립니다는 더 격식 있는 표현이에요. In English, say 축하드립니다. For formal or very respectful situations.
My keeper sentence is 생일 축하해요. And if someone says it to me, I answer 고마워요.
오늘은 이 한 문장만 기억하세요. 생일 축하해요. Friendly, polite, and useful.
다음 라운드에서 또 만나요. Keep climbing, one Korean step at a time.